arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Challenger GT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850re, quick order package 21L GT rear-wheel drive included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850re, tires, 245/45 ZR20 AS performance, STD, white knuckle clear coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, STD, black top package included, black fuel filler door gloss black IP cluster trim rings rear black spoiler GT black grille badge wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted black grille with bezel Challenger black top grille badge, black houndstooth cloth performance.